5-minute guided meditation for self-love and healing. You are exactly where you need to be, right here in this moment. Place your hand on your heart and say thank you for coming to your practice, for coming to peace, for coming to your center. You are consciousness who lives in a physical body, a soul. Your body is a blessing for you to carry out your life's work, to bless others, and to reach any goal that you desire. Believe that. Make sure that you are comfortable for these next few moments. Bring your awareness to your breath. Trust in your breath. Trust in the love that you have for yourself. Wonderful. Now imagine yourself as a small baby, a cute baby, lovable perfection. As a baby and young child, you love every part of yourself. Your toes, your fingers, your hair, your eyes, you love it all. And you believe in your ability to do anything. Bring yourself back to the sweet, innocent baby that's within you. Sure, you may have grown and have had many life experiences and maybe some regrets, but that sweet baby is still inside you and deserves your loving attention, deserves self-love. If at any point during your day you notice self-criticism, self-betrayal, and you not being your best self, remember that small baby needs love and attention no matter what. Allow yourself to receive just as you receive breath every day, every hour, every minute, and every second. Repeat the following affirmations. I love myself. I appreciate who I am. I am thankful for all that I am becoming. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of love. Your thoughts control your reality. It's time to let go of those beliefs that you don't deserve love or that you are not good enough. Release them now. After all, beliefs are just repeated thought patterns, and you get to choose new ones. With practice, patience, and persistence, you are loved.